Oi, mates, you want to know how you can make money playing video games? Check this out. You can get paid to play video games at home. It is the killer. It's killer, guys. These guys will literally send you brand new AAA video games and for free. And they will pay you to play them and tell them what you think about it. They're literally handing out paychecks every single day to video game testers just like you who were just playing video games, but now they've turned their hobbies into a real income. You can produce stable income or just quick cash on the side if you don't want to go too hard into it. But here's the thing, right? You're getting paid to play video games. Literally, these guys are killer. Call of Duty, World of Warcraft. These guys are crushing it. Major AAA distributors. These guys have hundreds and hundreds of video games. You just take them, you say, hey, I want to get paid to play your video game. They send it to you, or they digitally, whatever it is, and you get beta exclusive content, and you get to play their games, and they will pay you to tell you what they think about it. Literally making full-time incomes playing video games. You don't need a webcam, you don't need a microphone, you don't need any of the social media stuff. It's killer stuff. You're getting paid right now, and for a limited time, if you click this video, I'm actually going to give you my free PDF on how to turn your gaming hobby into a career right now. 40-page guide, easy stuff to get done, guys. And we have this program right here that goes right alongside it, Online Gaming Jobs, the #1 site for creating real income playing video games. Just chilling out. It's not a big deal. You can do this today, right now. Click this video. You're going to get that full PDF download, and you're going to go right to our exclusive gaming sales video, and we're going to show you exactly how to turn your passion for gaming into an income. We're going to pay you to play video games. It's killer content, and it's something I know you guys think is valuable. I really hope if you guys are appreciating this, just hit it hard and go click here, go to these guys. They're gonna pay you. Sign up now, and it's they got a limited time offer, but for a limited time they'll actually let you try their whole system out for just a small payment. It's easy stuff, and you get in their system and you're gonna have full access to their whole network of publishers playing video games right now. It's killer stuff. All right, honestly guys, I appreciate it. I hope you take advantage of this offer. If you like video games, this is the way to turn video games into money. Literally one of the easiest ways to, you just sit here making upwards of $30 an hour just playing video games. It's absolutely berserk. They got good stuff here, but they got good stuff everywhere. And I know that it's just such a great program. I'm gonna put up a picture here. You guys can see this free PDF you're gonna get. Learn how to make even more money with video games. Great program. You guys check it out. I believe in you. I'm investing in your video game future. I want you guys to crush it. Click below. Thank you. Have a good one.